Hey everybody, it's Dr. Baker from East Cobb Spicer Chiropractic. I'm hanging out with
Jim Carmichael.
And Jim, first of all, who do we thank for sending you over here?
Jeff Cole.
That's who's going to get this video.
Oh, I love it.
So here's the deal. So we fell from a ladder.
We did.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us. Happened how long ago? A couple weeks ago? Week and a half ago?
About a week and a half.
Yeah. Came into the chiropractor. You've been to a chiropractor before, correct?
I have.
Is this chiropractic visit the same as the other one you've been to?
No, it's different.
Yeah, different in a good way, I hope. I'm
Oh,
sitting
yeah.
right here. Okay, good.
Noticeably
Awesome.
different.
Okay, good. What'd you think about the assessment and stuff we went through when we did this, your first visit?
That was enlightening.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really was. And it's, I'm excited to be
Back in here
moving
coming.
forward.
Yeah. And it's second visit. So to me, you already noticed you were a little bit sore after getting adjusted, but we attributed that to after falling, we got back into our normal routine. If we fall, that jolts the body. We talked about it. Is that now in a good position or in a bad position? Probably.
It's better than it was.
Yeah.
for
Well,
sure.
no. Before when you fall,
Oh.
and then you go and train it, and you work and exercise.
worse, yeah.
Yes. So we changed up some movement patterns, got moving better. Woke up today, obviously left feeling better.
Oh, yeah.
And you had injured something a long time ago.
My shoulder.
Yeah. And you said today you think you could go swing a what?
Tennis racket.
Yeah. Like, did you think that that's the results you were going to get by coming in here today?
No, I didn't expect the shoulder.
That, Jeff, appreciate the referral. And to me, this is why I think chiropractic has such a staple in our environment. We need to be paying attention to how we move. But if we don't measure these poor movement patterns, we don't even know we're moving bad.
Right.
But you could see them and see the difference afterwards, correct?
Yeah.
That's the brilliance of
Yep.
this stuff. Awesome. Hey, Jim, we call this a bacon bit. I know, last name. So, there you go. So appreciate you doing this. Jeff, thanks for the referral. See you guys again on the next one.